Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished you could see everything happening at your front door, from top to bottom, with crystal clear HD? And what if that security could last for years on a single set of batteries? Well, get ready, because the all-new Blink Video Doorbell is here, and it's truly changing the game for home security and peace of mind. This isn't just another video doorbell. It's a comprehensive upgrade to how you stay connected and secure. Right out of the gate, one of the most exciting features is the incredible head-to-toe HD view. Forget guessing what's at your doorstep or missing crucial details. With this second-generation Blink doorbell, you get a full, expansive view that lets you see everything from the top of someone's head to the package sitting on the mat below. Think about it. No more blind spots. No more craning your neck digitally to see if that delivery actually arrived. This means you can clearly identify visitors, keep an eye on your kids playing outside, or even check on your pets wandering near the front door, all in stunning high definition. And with two-way audio, you can not only see, but also speak to whoever is there, whether it's a delivery driver, a friendly neighbor, or someone you need to deter, all from the convenience of your phone, no matter where you are. It truly puts you in control, giving you that essential sense of security. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of any smart device, battery life. And the Blink Video Doorbell absolutely crushes it here. We're talking about an astounding up to 2 years of continuous security coverage on just 3 included AA Energizer lithium batteries. Yes, you heard that right. 2 years. How many times have you had to climb a ladder to recharge your doorbell? Or worse, found it dead just when you needed it most? With Blink, those worries are a thing of the past. This exceptional battery longevity means consistent, reliable protection without the constant hassle of maintenance. While it does require a Blink Sync module, sold separately, to achieve this incredible battery life and full functionality, the investment is absolutely worth it for the sheer convenience and uninterrupted security it provides. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your front door is monitored day in and day out, for months on end, without you lifting a finger. That's freedom. But what really elevates this doorbell from a simple camera to a robust security system is the included 1-year Blink Subscription Plus plan. This isn't just some basic cloud storage. It's a powerhouse of smart features designed to keep you truly informed and protected. With the subscription, you get intelligent person detection alerts, meaning you'll only be notified when it truly matters, when a person is detected, not just a car driving by or a tree swaying. This significantly reduces false alarms and keeps your notifications relevant. And my personal favorite feature, Blink Moments. This incredible functionality stitches together multiple clips into a single, cohesive video. So instead of sifting through fragmented recordings, you get a streamlined narrative of events, making it super easy to review, save, and share important moments with family or even law enforcement. Knowing you have a full year of these advanced features, including cloud storage for all your events, gives you unparalleled confidence in your home security. So, if you're looking for a smart security doorbell that delivers on its promises with incredible clarity, unmatched battery life, and intelligent features that truly simplify your life, the all-new Blink Video Doorbell, with its 1-year subscription, is an absolute must-have. It's more than just a device. It's peace of mind delivered right to your doorstep. Don't settle for less when it comes to protecting your home and loved ones. Ready to upgrade your home security and experience the Blink difference for yourself? Find the link to purchase the Blink